How to fix unable to send links and photos on WhatsApp. If you're facing problem to send links and photos on WhatsApp, then the first thing you want to do is launch open WhatsApp. Now make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. From here select settings. Now select privacy. Now find the option of app lock, select that. If you have enabled app lock, you simply want to switch it off. There is a current bug causing sending issues whenever app lock is enabled. So go ahead and turn off the app lock. After that, simply head back and check if your problem is fixed. If it is not fixed, then you simply want to close the WhatsApp completely, then open your app switcher and swipe it off of your screen. After that, launch it open and check. You also want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the WhatsApp. So for that, you can head over to Play Store or App Store and tap on the search bar, and here you want to search WhatsApp. If you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.